Hello, I'm Sienna Bowes, and welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. And today we're going to learn how to pronounce some commonly mispronounced words in English. But before we begin, I have a small request. Please watch this video till the end, because this may be useful for you all. Now we can begin. Our first means in our video, we have two segments, segment 1 and segment 2. In the first segment, we're going to learn the pronunciation of some triplets or pairs of words which have similarities in spelling, but their pronunciations are totally different. Let us begin. Our first pair of words is sociology, and social. Sociology and social. Sociology and social. Our next pair of words is horizon and horizontal. Now, note one thing here. Here, the hori section of the word is pronounced as horizon, and here it's pronounced as horizontal. But here, one more thing, we don't really prominently pronounce the H. We say horizontal, and this is horizon. Our next pair of words is pronounce and pronunciation. Pronounce and pronunciation. Pronounce and pronunciation. Pronounce, pronunciation. We can move on to our next pair of words. Fridge and freeze. Fridge and freeze. Fridge and freeze. Our next triplet of words is 18, 8, and 80. 18, 8. Sorry, there was a spelling mistake. 8 and 80. 80. We don't say 80, that is wrong. It's 80. We say very fast, 80. 18, 8. We don't say 8, we say 8. And 80. 18, 8, 80. We have a triplet once again. Our next triplet is vacant, vacation, vacancy, vacant, vacation, vacancy, vacant, vacation, vacancy. Now I'm erasing the board because we're now going to the segment 2 of our video, which is just normal words which are commonly mispronounced. Our first word is deteriorate. D-E-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T-E. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Deteriorate. 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 Our next word is chaos. C-H-A-O-S. Chaos. 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 Next word is worry. 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 Moving on to our next word, which is species. 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 Next word is subtraction. subtraction, subtraction. After this is dilemma. Dilemma, dilemma. Moving on to our next word, schedule. Moving on to our next word, schedule. Schedule, schedule, schedule. Next word, data, data, data. Moving on, filthy, 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 filthy. Our next word is healthy. Healthy, healthy. Next, restaurant. Restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Next word is adjective. Adjective. Now, here in adjective, I want to note something. Here, the D and J are pronounced as J. We don't say adjective. We say adjective. Means the D is silent, like how we pronounce bridge. We pronounce bridge like we don't pronounce bridge. We say bridge. Similarly, we say adjective and not adjective. Adjective. Next word is adjourn. Adjourn. Note one more thing. Adjourn is similar to adjective. We don't pronounce the D. After this is adjacent. Sorry, we already finished adjective. I just pronounced it once again. It's adjacent. Adjacent. Adjacent to is similar to adjective. So remember these three words: adjective, adjourn, and adjacent. Here we don't pronounce adjective, adjourn, adjacent. We say adjective, adjourn, adjacent. Adjacent. Our next word is asymptomatic. 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 We don't say asymptomatic. We pronounce the A as we say A, B, C, D. We say the A is asymptomatic. Our next word is agent. Agent. Agent is similar to asymptomatic because the A is pronounced similar to asymptomatic. We say like A, B, C, D, agent. Asymptomatic. Our next word is project. 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 Moving on to our next word, cucumber. Cucumber. Here in cucumber, we pronounce the U as in university, uniform, etc. We don't say cucumber. We don't pronounce the U as an umbrella. We pronounce the U as in university. Cucumber. Cucumber. Next word, suitable. 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 Moving on to vacuum. Vacuum. It's not vacuum. It's vacuum. Vacuum. Like vacuum cleaner. Vacuum. Hope hope you liked this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next blog, we will discuss on English episode 2, which is excessively long words. Run short of letters in the alphabet. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button.